Ria wants to participate in the 200-meter sprint. Now she can currently run that distance in 45 seconds. But she wants to do that in under 30 seconds. Right? Now practice makes a man perfect. So with each day's practice, it takes her 2 seconds less. So she is trying to overcome that time. So it actually takes her 45 seconds, but then she wants to do it under 30 seconds. Okay? So you need to find out the minimum number of days she needs to practice till her goal is accomplished. Now can you help her doing this? Well, let's see how we can do this. Now this highlighted information will help us do that. Well, you can see that she does this now in 45 seconds. Now, with each day's practice, she is going on doing it with 2 seconds less. So the next day, she will do it with what? In 43 seconds. Then the next day, in 41 seconds. And so on. So you can see that her practice timings are actually making an AP series, arithmetic progression, where the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. It is 2 seconds less. So you can say that this is a decreasing AP. Why? Because the common difference here is what? Positive or negative? It is minus 2, because 45 minus 2 gives you 43. Now 43 minus 2 gives you 41. So this is going on in decreasing. So you can say that this is a decreasing AP. Now we found out the common difference, that is minus 2. What about A? A, you know that it is called the first term of an AP series. So the first term of this AP series is 45. So now we know that the first term is 45 and the common difference is minus 2. But what is the cost of finding this out? Well, we have to know whether or not 30 seconds appears in this sequence or not. So this is our goal, to find out whether 30 appears in this sequence or not. Now you know how to find out that by using the formula for the nth term. But if I look this on a number line, say like this, you can see 45, then 43, 41, 39 and so on. We've just named this by subtracting the common difference between them. So that means with each day practice, what will happen? 45, the next day she will take 43 seconds, the next 41, the next 39, then 37, 35, 33, 31 and so on. But in this series, I can see after 31, it comes to 29. 30 is not coming in that AP series. So what do we do now? Well, you can see that these numbers are actually what? Odd numbers. Now these decreasing odd numbers, right? And 30 is an even number and it is not falling in that AP series. Well, you can see that visually. Whether it will give us the same result when we do that with the formula. Let's check. Now we know that from this formula we can check whether 30 has some position or not in this AP series. So this nth term would be 30. What is the first term? Is 45 plus n minus 1. Well, we do not know what is the position of 30 here. Well, do not see the position from the number line. Just think you do not know the position of 30, or you can say you do not know on which day she will cross this 30 seconds. So this n minus 1 we leave it and d is minus 2. So we solve this. Now you can see that this d is negative, so we bring it in forward. What do we get? So 30 is equal to 45 minus 2 and minus 1. Now solving this, let us take this part that side so that the negative becomes positive and 30 to that side. So 2 n minus 1 gives us 45 minus 30, that is 15. So 2 n minus 1 gives me 15. Now can you tell me the value of n? Well, n minus 1 will be 15 by 2. So n will be 15 by 2, 7.5 plus 1, 8.5. Well, you can see that this n is not a whole number. That means 30 is not having any position, neither 8th nor 9th. It is in the middle. That you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neither the 8th position nor the 9th position. So 30 is not lying in this AP series. So you can see that in her practice sessions, the day will not be there when she will do it in 30 seconds. On the 8th day, she will complete it in 31 seconds, and on the 9th day, she will complete it in 29 seconds. But this 30 is not in this AP series. So you can see just that the next number after 30 is what? 29. So let us see whether this 29 falls in the AP series or not. You can say that visually we can see that, but let us do it with formula and see. Now we know that we can find out the nth term by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So just substitute the value here and tell me. 29 shall be the nth term here. First term is 45 plus n minus 1 we do not know. Well, you can know with this number line, but say you do not have this number line and then you do not know n, into minus 2. So 29 is what? 45 minus 2n minus 1. Now solving this for n, solve this for n, what do you get? What will be the value of n? It will be 16 by 2, 8, and 8 plus 1, 9. So you can see that the position of 29 in this AP series we got is 9, right? You can check that from the number line as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you can say this. Now you were asked to find out the minimum number of days she needs to practice till her goal is accomplished. So the minimum number of days will be what? 9 days. Because in 9 days she will be able to complete it in 29 seconds. So here we have to ask the minimum number of days. So the minimum number of days she needs to practice till her goal is accomplished is 9 days. So this is how you can know whether a term falls in the AP series or not.